na ang ating package. Today, ang gagawin natin, mag-unboxing tayo ng package from Prime Beef. So, this is supposed to be birthday gift ni Carlo. So, may nagpadala ng request niya para sa birthday. Kasi bumuksan. Check natin kung ano laman, ha? Kasi si Carlo kasi is more of a steak critic. So, meron pang dedication. Happy birthday to steak critic Carlo. Tignan natin. Box pa siya and ribbon. And then nakalagay sa receipt. So, this is our receipt. Buksan na natin. It comes in a special box. Okay. Nalalig pa. Natin dito. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Tanan! Try natin. So we have here the ribeye Angus aged choice steak. 21-day aged choice steak from US. Again, it's 0.854 kilo. Nakapal siya. 1-inch thick. And then we have this one is the Wagyu. This one is the chuck roll Wagyu A5 10 to 12 gram steak, Miyabi, Japan. So for this is from Miyabi, Japan. The Wagyu. We have the gravy, the mushroom. That's it. So, dumating na natin order of isang 2 kilong ribeye, 2 kilos of ribeye, and I think it's another 1 kilo of Wagyu beef from Miyabi, Japan. And it came with a box, a wooden box. So, again, watch out for the next vlog kung saan lulutuin natin ang Wagyu, how to cook Wagyu beef. Home style cooking. Bye. See you.
Feed.
Hi guys! So, we've done the Wagyu cooking. So, yun pala ang dahilan kung bakit expensive ang Wagyu. Kasi very juicy and very soft yung kanyang meat. Especially pag grade A5. Yung marbling niya is grade A5. So, ito yung pinaka highest grade of Wagyu. So, it's a very great experience. Kaso pag kumain ka ng Wagyu, you just eat few slices kasi nga expensive. So, watch out for the next vlog. Ang next naman natin is we will cook din sa Pan Carlos request the ribeye Angus age 21 days. Okay, see you!